Thank you for calling tech support. How can I help you?
I got a thing that says your PC ran into a problem. We're just collecting some error info, but it's not doing anything. And it says support
Okay.
computer error, and to call this number, don't restart your computer.
Since how long you getting this message?
It just came, and I can't get rid of it. It won't go away. I click and nothing happens.
What what you were doing in your computer when you get this message, sir?
Oh, I'm just looking at videos. Um, that's fine.
Looking the videos when you get the message? Do
Yes.
you see any specific message, any code on
Yeah,
your
it
screen?
says 00X04C08. And then there's another one too. It says B2957E. There's like two of them in
Thank
there.
you so much for giving me the code, sir. Now let me go ahead and quickly check that what is the actual trouble going on. Now, do you have a computer with you right now?
Well, yeah, I'm looking at it. That's why I called. I
Now
can't
look
get.
it on your keyboard, sir. On your keyboard, left hand corner, you can see a control key. I'll
Yeah,
CTRL. Do you see
yes,
that?
I see that.
Now what is the next key after that?
It's like a flag key.
Yes,
Hello?
you have to push this flag key and the letter R as in Roger.
Okay, now this other thing came. Says run. Type the name program folder in this thing.
Yes, you have to type in this www dot
www. Dot. Okay.
support support
Okay.
dot me.
Dot me. Okay. Now what?
Yes,
Hit.
support dot me.
Okay.
M as in Mary, E as in Echo.
Yeah, I got that part. What do I do? Hit OK?
Yes, hit OK.
Okay. Okay. It says log me in. Won't do anything though. It won't do anything because this other thing's here.
Says log me in, anything like that.
Yeah. It says log me in, enter your 6-digit code, but I can't enter
Yes.
anything because this support computer error is blocking me from
Okay.
doing anything.
So you cannot enter any code in there.
No, I just click and nothing happens. And this other thing keeps on popping up. Support computer error.
All right. I'll give you the code. You have to push the Windows and R button once again, sir. Push it once
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Now you have
I
to
did.
type in the box. Erase what you have first of all, sir.
Okay.
Now type in the box
Done.
I as in Indiana.
Okay. Now it says enter your 6-digit code.
Yeah. Please enter the
And
code
I
I'm
can
giving
do
you
it.
right now. Yes.
Okay.
Code is 876820
Okay. User account enabled. Okay.
on this
Support
PC. Please
console.
click OK, sir. Click
Yes.
OK.
Okay.
Yes, I am here.
Oh, okay. I thought you went away. It says support session established with Rose Green.
Yes, I'm sending you request. Please click OK, sir.
Oh, okay. Rose Green would like to. Okay, Rose.
Click OK.
There isn't nowhere to click OK.
It's coming on the screen, sir. You see OK?
No, it just says the last
You
thing
see
in here.
something?
This box.
Okay. Look at something flashing on your screen. In the bottom of your screen, maybe?
No, there's nothing here. It says it keeps on saying Rose stopped, Rose started, Rose stopped,
Minimized it.
started. Huh? Minimize this.
Something, yes. Look at something in the bottom, sir. In the very bottom.
There's nothing here. I don't know. There's nothing here. There's nothing to click OK on. It says remote control by Rose Green stopped again.
You see okay now? And something, maybe a shield you can see in the very, very bottom on your
No,
screen flashing.
there's there's nothing here.
What you can see in the very bottom.
It says copyright 2003
Now on the
17 log
very
me in.
bottom. Very bottom, sir.
The
Move your cursor in the very bottom.
very bottom. I am on the very bottom.
Move the cursor. You can see a task bar. A task
I,
bar.
I'm in there and it's,
Do
let's
you
see
see
how
that? A cross
it
sign,
says,
a blue cross sign.
yeah, but
Click on it.
I did, and it keeps on saying support console. You are chatting with Rose Green. Then it says remote control stopped by Rose Green. Viewing started by Rose Green.
Okay. Press the Control and J, sir. Sorry. Press
Control
the Control, Alt, and Delete. All the three buttons together.
Control
Control,
Alt
Alt,
Delete.
and Delete.
Okay. Task
Now
Manager.
click on Task Manager. Okay. Close the Eye Explorer, sir. Close it. Close the Eye Explorer.
Okay, it's
Now close
closed.
the Google Chrome.
It won't let me close it because of this thing.
Just wait. It's going
It's
to take
alert.
only a few seconds, sir. I connected you with the secure server right now, so it's going to take only a few seconds. So we can disconnect it this temporary basis, this infection. You click on End Task after choose
Mm-hmm.
the Google Chrome. Okay.
Yes, but it's
Now,
still here. It won't go away. I can't get rid of this support thing or this support
okay.
computer error.
Now, do you see any option
Oh,
coming now on your screen asking you to click
no,
OK?
no. I'm gonna get out of this support thing. Maybe that'll help.
It's
It
closed.
won't even let me do that.
You see-
Okay, that's
Okay.
closed. Now we can start all over again.
Now you have to push the Windows and R button once again
Okay,
and click OK.
I didn't type anything in there yet.
You have to type the same thing, I E X
I ex.
P I
Okay, I got that. I
I explore
explore
space
www. Yeah. Dot support
dot me.
dot e. Okay. Okay. Now I need a new code. It says support connection. Enter your code.
I'm giving you the code, sir.
Okay.
Code you have to enter
Three
334469.
three 4469. Okay. Now user account control is enabled. Please click OK
Click
to
OK.
elevate. Okay, I'm clicking OK. Now, do you want this app to make changes? Okay, yes. Okay, now the box says a support representative will be with you shortly again. Support
I'm
established
sending a
with
request.
Rose
Now click OK.
Green. Okay, now Rose. Okay,
Did you click OK?
yes, I did. Remote control started by Rose Green. File management started by Rose Green.
You clicked on OK, sir?
Yes, I did. I don't know what's going on here. The pointer has got a little blue wheel spinning around it
It's going to take some time, sir, because it's the
because of the malware thing. Malware alert. It's
these
taking
all
a
the
long
alerts you
time.
can see, they are the very major right now. And they all need to be
Yeah.
removed as soon as possible. Now do you see something flashing in the bottom of your screen? And
Nope.
maybe you can still see a option OK to click OK.
Nope. I clicked every OK and yes that came up and there's nothing here.
Nothing else you can see?
No. It says Rose Green is typing. Are you typing? I'm
Yes.
chatting with Rose Green.
Now please
Okay.
look it on your screen where it's showing you a green
Huh? What?
page. Do you see that? You see a green page?
Yes. No, now it's red. It says deceptive site ahead.
Do you see that now? Anything open on your screen?
No, it just says deceptive site ahead and it's red. It
Now
says
do you see
attackers
something open?
on
It's a green.
this 20% server DNS could not be found.
All right. Now do you see something on your screen, sir?
Yeah, it says this site can't be reached. I explore %20 www.ammyy
Push the
could not
Windows
be.
and R button once again, sir.
Oh boy. Okay. I got that
Now
box again.
type.
Okay.
Now type in the box I explore space
Okay.
www.ammyy.com. Now click on the big green box you can see, sir. Start working with ME admin. Now click on run. Do you see run?
It says start working. Oh, now I see run. Okay.
Now it's opened the box for you. Do you see that? It's showing your ID and your IP.
Nope, didn't want to allow this app. Okay, yeah. Okay, your ID, your
You see
IP.
your ID? Give me your
Yeah.
ID.
66132 523.
Now click on accept, sir. Accept. Now I'm just going to quickly run a scan and check that what is the actual trouble going on, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
It's
because I
going to
can't
take.
can't do anything with this.
I can understand it, sir. It seems like the something is which is very, very major. First of all, we need to do some scan in this computer. So I suggest you, in the meanwhile, do not touch that system, sir. Okay.
I'm not touching nothing, Rose. I'm not touching anything.
In the meanwhile, technician working. Now, what you can see on your screen? Something?
A vast component stop. Do you want to continue?
Continue, sir. Click on continue. Click on accept once again, sir. Accept. Do not touch it, sir. I'm just running a scan now to
I'm
checking
not
what is
doing
the
nothing.
exact problem going on. Thank
Okay.
you so much. Yeah. Now I'm just going to quickly run a scan first of all, sir, and kind of infection
Okay.
exactly do you have? Now tell me one thing, sir. Uh, like you go a lot on adult websites or just occasionally?
Just occasionally.
Because it's going to take some time. First of all, we have to run the scan and check if there is any kind of infection do you have, like
Critical alert
on your
from
scan.
Micros.
So I will go ahead and quickly check it. What kind of infection exactly do you
Okay.
have?
Let me turn the
Soft.
Right?
speaker off.
Your computer
I
has
don't want to
alerted.
hear this guy.
It's going to take some time. Now it seems like it's a possibility, sir. You may have a lot of multiple illegal connection attached with this. Okay, that means
Oh,
a multiple
from
foreign
me?
addresses. Yes, with the system.
Oh,
And if you
oh
have a
okay.
foreign addresses in your system, that means this infection can move from your one device to another device very, very easily. That means your another device is also infected in that case very easily, sir. Whatever the devices do you have in your house, they almost
Okay.
get infected in that case because it's showing that your all the internal Microsoft security services, which needs to be running all the time, they are not working anymore.
Oh
And
boy.
in case, yes, these bad people don't need your computer, sir. They just need your information so they can misuse it and do any kind of criminal activities
You,
with that. That
you
is the
think it's
biggest
the Russians?
problem.
It's probably the
Anybody it could
Russians.
be, sir. We cannot say that
Ah, the
it's a
Chinese.
Russian or anybody could be, sir.
Those Russians
Yes,
are
these
some
hackers. You
scammers
cannot
sometimes.
say that these hackers belong to a specific country or a
Oh, I can't
specific
say that?
person you can point out. No, you cannot. Even we cannot easily find out. These are the very smart people.
I'm
They
just
using
guessing.
other people. other people identity to hijack somebody else's identity. Like they can now use your information to hijack somebody else. Then who will be responsible? Because they're using your information to hijack somebody. That means you're the one responsible. That's the biggest reason,
Oh,
sir.
that's
And
no
this
good.
kind of infection is a networking worm which can move from one device to another device. So that means it doesn't matter even if you purchase a new computer, this infection can get into your brand new computer also, sir.
Mm.
That's the major concern. And I think you can see these foreign addresses. Do you see that?
Yep.
Look at these foreign addresses. All these are 16 illegal people. That means you have connected with your network without your
Those
permission, so they can
bastards.
easily have access of your personal detail and data. So these all the foreign addresses, and including these all the securities also. You can see stop, 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 and these
Yeah.
bunch of errors and warnings.
Boy, a lot of errors and warnings, too.
That is just because of the reason these people are trying to access your info without your permission. It seems like yes, the concern is very major, so I'm just because it's a networking worm. Tell me one thing. Apart from this computer, what another devices do you have in your house, sir?
No, this is it. I only got one computer.
All right, any smartphone, tablet like that?
Nope, I got a flip phone. I got a dumb phone.
I'm just going to send you a report to the technician, sir, and check what is the solution exactly to get it fixed this problem. So I suggest you, in the meanwhile, do not touch any of the devices,
Oh,
sir. Okay?
okay, I'm not touching
Can
anything.
you?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to check what is the solution exactly do you have to fix this problem. Are you a student or you do run any kind of business from the system?
No, I'm retired.
Retired? Oh, I can imagine because you don't sound like a retired person, sir. You
No,
sound
yeah,
like a
I'm
very young
retired,
person.
all right. Yeah, I'm retired.
Okay. All right. In the meanwhile, I'll go ahead and find out with the technician what's the solution and what other options exactly do you have. Because I'm just a Microsoft technician, sir. My job is just to tell you what is the exact solution to get it fixed these kind of issues. All right. So hold the line.
Okay.
Might going to take a few seconds and 2 minutes maybe.
Okay.
Thank you for staying online. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I'm sorry for the long hold, sir. I just checked it with the experts right now. Now, what is the exact solution? Yes, there is only one option. There's the two options do you have, sir. That's your choice. Which one
Okay.
would you like to give at that point of time? Because these kind of issues can only be handled by a network expert. The same technician will go ahead and work with this and use some applications and networking tools to get clean all these infections do you have right now, sir. These are the
Okay.
softwares basically helping to clean the worm. But yes, it's I would request you might have to change your password, sir, for your security purpose because your passwords may be not safe and secure anymore.
Uh-uh.
Okay, it's going to take 7 to 10 days approximate. The charges would be a little bit high because it's a store price, sir. Okay, then after that you can get a securities which you can protect it you for the future. That's called the security shield. All right, that's. And tell me one thing, sir. You don't have any
No, I don't.
any tablet,
Nope.
right? And the second option is for the senior citizens, sir. Senior citizen, retired people, and the student only can go for the second option, which is the online option. Okay. They are the
Okay.
same Microsoft network experts. Network experts work with this. They only work for the students or senior citizens, sir. Technician will go ahead and work with this and use the same softwares and same technical tools to get clean all the infections and worms do you have. Okay, like all the
Hmm.
applications, networking tools. Not good at typing, sir. If I'm wrong anywhere, please let me know, okay?
Okay.
It's going to take approximately 60 to 90 minutes for each device. That means you said you only have this computer, so it's not going to take that much longer. But yes. It
Yeah.
take approximately 1 to 2 hours. You can say in another words. The charges, and there is a securities which you can get it. That's called the security shield. The same securities, but that's this is option for the senior citizen student. Securities also are cheaper as compared to the best part. They are the transferable. That means they don't have to spend the same much of amount again and again. These securities it transferred from one location to another location very easily. But suppose if you change the device, buy a new one, we don't have to purchase a separate security for new device. The same security transfer from old to new device very easily. The other securities. But you can decide which option would you like to go at that point of time to get it.
So let me get this. It's $200 plus $100, or
$100.
I'm lost. I'm lost.
I didn't
It's
get your
60 to
point. Can you?
90 minutes for 200 to 250. Then what's this 100,
Oh, these are
250, and
the
350?
securities. These are the security shields. That means
So
the
that's separate
securities.
from the 200.
Yes, that securities you can get for the futures. Right, they are
Oh,
not for right now.
it's a little expensive, Rose. I don't think I'm going to do it. And I know this is a scam. So I guess we're done.
Scam?
Yeah, scam. SCAM. Want me to type it
How
for
it
you?
is a scam?
Because we're in the event viewer and it showed everything that's supposed to be stopped is supposed to be stopped. Errors and warnings are supposed to be. They're supposed to be there.
It's
If
supposed
everything
to
was
be
running, this computer would blow up. So I know it's a scam.
not a scam, sir. Have the
Yeah,
intention, so I just
most
try to help you with that.
you
All
didn't
right,
try
you
to
need
help
to
me.
work.
I can get rid of this thing by myself. I can get rid of this. Come on,
Why you're wasting my time?
Rose. Huh? Because I'm a senior citizen. I don't like scamming senior citizens. So I do this. Put it on YouTube. See all this? They're supposed to be stopped, Rose. I don't have a Bluetooth hooked up to this.
I did not done anything wrong, sir. It's your
What do you
system.
mean you
You're
didn't
the
do
one who
anything? You didn't do
controls.
anything, period. You didn't do one thing that had any accomplishment to it. You didn't do anything. And you're not going to do anything for the money you want me to pay you. So I guess we're done.